Jehovah Nissi. Hey, mo gbé. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Chinele Zonye, YouTuber based in Kaduna. Okay, you guys, we have an unboxing here. This is the few items I told you guys in my previous vlog that I ordered some few items from Temu and they are right here. Okay, so let's unbox and see what is in here. Here is my scissors. So I don't have enough time to put in the items I got. I'll just show you guys as it goes because I have to go to my shop because I'm running late. The first thing here is this cap I ordered from Temu, and it goes well with the skirt I'm wearing. I will show you guys when I'm done unboxing. I'm going to stand up for you guys to see, and I'm going to be rocking this cap today because I'm wearing a jeans skirt. I have to adjust it. Wow, this is the cap. This is how it is. The next thing here is this. That's what is in here. I don't know if this is for my daughter. If this is for my daughter, then I don't need to open it. I think it's for my daughter. I ordered it for her TikTok or TikTok content. I guess so. So let's just keep it aside. This is, I don't know how that makes sense. Oh my god, this is for kitchen oil control for this kitchen, and it comes with this free gift because this was not here when I ordered it. So, and this is the cover that you put on, you know, spray, but it's looking bigger when I ordered it. So it's looking bigger. This is not your own. Oh. I ordered this for brush, you know, putting brush in my kids' bathroom. This thing too was looking bigger when I ordered it, and it has this one here that you place on the wall. Yeah, something like this. Next on my list is, okay, this is also for my daughter. It's press on nail for her birthday because her birthday is coming up next month. Okay, it's a press on nail for the baby, and I got this. This is for, what did I order this for? I think it's for perfume and the rest. What did I beg? Don't shine light on my face. Okay, this is for me, for my perfumes. I got this too, you know, to arrange stuff, not basically perfume, but anything I can put here. Yeah, that is why I ordered this. So cute, right? This cotton holder. Is it just one? It's supposed to be two. It's a cotton holder. Oh my god. It means I have to order it again. Why just, I thought it's just for this door, you know, to tie it here, because the one I have before, the ones I'm using, my feet are spoiling it, and I thought this is going to come like a pair. Two is a pair, right? Yeah. What is this? So let's see what is here. Okay, this is a nail polish. This is a nail polish for myself. The smell is not so good, but yeah, of course, I just expect a cortex to smell just normal. Next on my list is theirs. This is not for me, this is for my daughter. I guess this one is the phone holder. Oh my god, this is it though. See, this one is the phone holder. What is this? You see how pink this color? This is phone holder. The last one I was there, this one has refused to come out. It's just stuck to the car. And I wonder why I ordered for the same type again. Like this. Then you put your phone here. Okay, this one is another nail polish for me, because I stopped fixing my nail. Like, my nails were bad, so I stopped fixing so that they could heal. I love this color. Why is this one so small? All right. This one is for my girls' bathroom. Boys, why is it this small? It's too small, I beg. Temu. Jehovah Nissi. Hey, Mogbe. Guys, look at. Hey, God. Hey, God. This is what Jesus Christ. How much did I buy this thing? How much did I buy this? This is, hey, Jesus Christ. TV. What's in me this one, Kwanu? Hey, God. It's not as if I saw it so cheap and I paid. It was looking bigger. What's in me this one, Kwanu, Temu? So like, hey, Jesus Christ. This thing I buy from abroad. Where you come? So funny. So funny. So funny. Thank God I'm buying from Temu. At least I know things to buy from Temu and things that you cannot buy from Temu, because they will give you another. Even this one too is too small. This thing too was bigger, and I expected this one at least make a day like this, even though it was small. I expect this to be bigger. What is this one? Hi. Good. Number one, this one came just one. And look at this one, like this. What is all this? This one too was looking very small. This one too was looking very small. This is the only thing I know that I ordered, and they gave me same size that I saw it. Temu, the last strong thing that people did me, I stopped buying from Temu since. So I'll be resting, like I have my peace. I don't know why I decided to order from you guys again. And let me show you guys my outfits. So you guys, this is my full outfit. Look at the skirt I'm wearing. And this is the cap I just unboxed. So this is my full outfit. I'm using this sandal. So that is all. Let's go to the shop. I'm running late. See, this is actually two. I thought it's one. I've opened it. The cotton rope, or what do they call it? We just put it on. It comes here. It's actually two. Thank God, at least this one I will use our whole body. Compensation. Hi guys. So my order is here. My way bill is here. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video Okay, and I would like to carry you guys along. Like today is all about unboxing. First, I unboxed Temu order at home. Second, I'm unboxing this. Let me show you guys. This is my order from Lagos. This is shoes and bags. So you guys have just opened the bag, and here is our shoes and bag. It's gonna come like this. Oh my word, I ordered this one especially for me myself. Ma, good afternoon, ma. Fine, thank you, ma. Fine, ma, is yours, ma. Amen, thank you, ma. This bag is so cute, but this weaving was delayed, and this is the strap. Don't hear me. It's okay. Here's how the inside is. Let me remove the bed. I'm going to put some stuff inside so that it will straighten. Let me show you guys shoe. And this one is shoe. So cute, so lovely. This shoe is machine. Here is another one. So cute. So cute and lots more. So I'm going to continue opening this on live video. So I'm going to be going live now. Yeah. Hi guys, good morning. So I'm working for us. So today is the night. I am making local beans for my family. Like I told you guys, I make some kind of food on every Saturday. It's not the usual food I will eat during the weeks. So here is the local beans. This is akidi. I am frying fish for the beans. Here is all the ingredients I'm going to use: crayfish, pepper, maggi, and onions. Yes, I go in with my salt. That's the seasoning. It will eventually melt inside the onion. This is the fresh pepper. Please guys, ignore the noise. Some men are working for us in the compound. And I'll go in with the onion, like plenty onion. Then I'll go in with the crayfish, so that everything the crayfish will infuse into the oil, because I'm not going to fry it for too long. Just allow it to fry for 2 minutes. So here is our sauce. So guys, here is our local beans, our akidi. Properly done, and yeah, let's mix everything together. So guys, this is our food, our local beans akidi. Yeah, this is akidi. This thing, this food is rich in iron and fiber. So I heard, yeah, it's rich in fiber, it's rich in iron. Today is Saturday. I'm set to go to my shop, you guys. I'm set to go. They say hi.
Hi.
So hi guys.
Hi guys.
So I'm set to go to my shop. You guys, this is my full outfit of the day. So I'm set to go to my shop. Wish me luck. This is my face. Earring checked, wash, wristwatch. I've also applied my perfume. I'm set to go. I'm set to go. Here is my bag, same bag. Same bag. Bye.